When browsing Dimensions or other websites with publications, you may have noticed a little badge by each citation that says Altmetric. Have you ever wondered what that means? Today I'm going to show you. Altmetric data describes the online attention that a publication receives. It collects mentions from social media, policy documents, and other online sources. The score in the center of the circle is called an Altmetric attention score, which is a high-level measure of how much attention the publication is getting online. It's important to remember, however, that this score does not tell you anything about the quality of the research. It only says something about the attention the publication has received and the engagement that it's receiving online. Let's look at an example of a publication with a high Altmetric attention score. When you search for a publication, you'll notice the Altmetric badge below the publication in Dimensions, and we can click on that for more information. First of all, a score of 138 means that this publication is in the top 5% of all research output that are scored by Altmetric. So in other words, this is a high score. And if you click more alongside the left-hand column, you'll get more rankings about this score. The different colors represent different online sources, such as Twitter, Facebook, blogs, news outlets, etc. This publication has a colorful circle, which means that it's getting attention from a variety of sources. Those sources are detailed up here. For example, if you click on the News tab, you can see which articles cited this publication along with links. You can also see Twitter mentions by clicking on the Twitter tab, and the same is true for Facebook. Interestingly, in the Summary tab, we can see where in the world Twitter mentions are originating. For this particular publication, it looks like 2 are coming from Spain and a combined handful from Saudi Arabia, Germany, and so on. It also gives you a demographic breakdown of the tweets. It's important to note that this page and the score is always changing depending on new tweets that this publication receives, new news outlets that write articles about this publication, or new blog posts. You can also look at Altmetric data in the free version of Dimensions. So try this out for yourself with a publication that you're curious about. To learn more about Dimensions, be sure to watch our upcoming videos. If there's something specific you want to learn, please send us your questions, and thanks for watching.